Okay,
Too heavy.
this little car is driving up here. Can you come up here? This little car is gonna get some eggs. Shake, shake, shake. Will you get some for you and your grown up? Graham, can you get some for Grandma and you? 3 for you and Mom. Here you go. 2 for you and 2 for Grandma.
Can you give me 2? And then get 2 for you?
There you go.
And then get 2 for Graham?
So shake, 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 shake. Here, there you go.
Yeah.
You got it?
The shaker eggs, aren't they?
Grown-ups, remember today we're practicing up and down. So if you can explore different ways of moving up and down.
There we go, and down.
And after, if you can ask them to give you something, and then build off what they have figured out, that's a really, really great thing to do.
Good. Down, down. Is that what you're doing? Down?
Yeah.
You're down too, aren't you? Down. Okay, in the middle. Down.
Down. Up high.
What's up high? Where's up high?
Can you go down and
Go
up
up
high?
high?
Oh, on your head. What a great idea.
You're gonna go up high? Oh, up high and
You
drop.
went from high and too low. Yeah.
They're not
There you go. Up high and drop.
We can't throw them because they're too far.
There you go.
They do look like an egg, don't they?
No, don't throw it. No, I'm talking. Here, up high and drop.
Yeah, great work.
What happens? Can you stand up and drop them to the ground?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Can you stand up and drop it from the ground? From the high up? No.
You're gonna get 2 others?
Are you done or do you want 2 more?
We're not ready to
Oh,
put them away
it's not
yet.
time. Hey buddy, we have a fun song to play with you.
Okay.
Can you put one of
Okay.
them away?
Can you
find
pick
2?
your favorite way to play or up high and down low and change and we're gonna play along to our special
No,
song?
you need 2. You need 2. They're not done. We're not done.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna play a song. Can you bring me 2? Can you bring me 1?
Oh no! Put them all away. We just have such good helpers in here.
Thank you.
You're doing such a great
Okay,
job,
1.
Emily.
Okay, you have 2. Can I shake them?
You're doing up high, aren't you? You got it down on the floor. You got that one down. You like watching yourself in there, Declan?
Hey, Graham.
Oh,
Grandma.
good idea, Mom.
Graham.
Oh, there you go. I saw some really great things. Saw some low tapping on the ground, some high shaking, some clapping up high and tapping together. You did a really wonderful job. There you go. Shakers away, shakers away. Can you put the shakers
away?
I'll
Put
show
them
you. I'll
away
let you
now.
put the lid on when we're ready to read, okay?
Sasha,
Can you
you
put
wanna
mine
put
away?
away mommy's egg shakers?
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you, Good job.
Thank you so
But
much.
that's.
I know, girl. Okay, go here. I know.
Oh. We're going to have story time now. Can you come on my story blanket, please? Can you come on my story blanket? You can bring Puppy and Grandma. You want to come on the story blanket?